the chairman and state president of lawmluhnaa le district president ODD chakma le CADC members on tak there when he wrote we could rau pui ti baya kan tok pal ero chu ka lau ni so wan chuan when an BJP in lo lu ta hi MDC area atang local kanya I was in a regional party for such a long time. But at the end of the day, you know what was happening. What was happening at the end of the day, we all aware of that. So I feel so secure, so feel free being in a BJP, which is the largest political party in the world, having a very good display. So wang chuan wina kan local hian kan rilru hian dedication ril tak kan nei angai in ka hria we are together there in Delhi with Honorable President D.D. Chakma, and when the council was not dissolved, when the council was, motion was introduced and the council was no longer exist, we had a very lengthy discussion about your political career, what to do and what not to do. Hoping that a day will come and we all will work together, so our dreams comes true today. So it is indeed a great honor for me to be here in this memorable occasion. Hethil vena khleng hi atop khlenga rin omnute ho na thate dedication thatak CADC tan chak nilo Mizoram tan India tan ni ti thria ke campaign hi poi mo leng ka thria ne tuna kan state president pu lawmluhnaa ka hian helaya min lom lu ta ni it's last year only hene chira ka nei lo when I had nun takin ngai toila mara autonomous DC council chuan MLA constituents, we have 2 MLA constituencies, both Palak and Chhia. Now luckily two BJP MLAs are there, and autonomous council also is governed by the BJP party. So luckily now we have a very good partner. We are going to have a very good partner, so that it is always stronger to be a two autonomous district council as a BJP. A single autonomous district council, of course, the central government, they keep on, coming to our autonomous district council, and we are looking forward to have such a development and other things. But then now by forming the government in the CADC, two is always stronger than one. So from now onward, kan thil ti ring hmaa pakhat angin kan culture ni rin om takin central sarkara wena hian kum khat MLA kan ni hian voi tam delia kon voi sari voi riat ka culture. I repeatedly meet those leaders there in Delhi. Even our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji. Til tha tam tak ti sak min tumani. Ma se June tha a central government khu apiang chawa July a NDA kha June tha an form thi chau ani July a budget session Trump ma san zong man lo kha an chun zong si a August ni som ni thleng August wa Haryana le Jammu and Kashmir election om khami zo Maharashtra le ni ka Jharkhand na ka Maharashtra le Jharkhand concluded recently only. Chu wangchan marab mi pui po in. Ngatinge engen ron honto minti. There is a technicality and a certain process has to be observed by officially. Chu wangchan voi na nang ni in lo lu to a. Nang ni in lo lu a pakhat ni lo pan ni a kan engkim kan pasujon kan sak le don ti kan hulo kan ni chu ka lo me em ni tin in ria a BJP hi the way they perform MP a kan niam de le kan ni but the way of functioning the BJP is it looks like a virus, say HIV virus. Supposing you give HIV drugs, it mutates itself and change his character and way of his action so that completely he changed his character and his way of living so that no drugs can kill the virus. Likewise, the BJP, when the performance is a little bit, dissatisfaction is when they see the dissatisfaction and the bad performance, they easily mutate itself. So now it's coming up again. During those MP election, due to certain things, performance was a little bit down. Now it's coming up again. It's like a virus. So wangchuan BJP hian kum enge mazat hi India hi alarul don ni hi alang chiang ani. So wangin Mizoram mi pui po hian. What we can do? Such poor state. If wang even aizol pa hian BJP hi kan dau. En wangin nge Mizoram na BJP kan musik veringon. Production kan de nothing. Contribution kan de central, no contribution at all. The only thing that we can do is keep on asking. Kan juk deal renga engkim chuta kan doa chu mi thing nun dan tur ne anilo chu wang chuan tuna tanga reilo te thalai te hi an hardon Mizoram hi reformation along don chim la matangin kan tranang maran kan tran phot now chakma next July anilo thailo it's a mandatory automatically it will come out. Chu wang son hoi sen takin kan kalang rinom takin kan kalang tho ho nu thatak nen kan kalang tin he BJP sarkar adin hian adin move to ti rereng su se as a chakma mingpo ang pun azatla chu wang son stability has to be there. You have to be very, very stable. Otherwise, the world are watching at us. Best discipline department, political party Original party MNF. I was in MNF for such a long time. But at the end of the day, what was happening? You all know. Now BJP, ZPM performance, I will not give a comment, but the answer you are getting from the general public. Khata omzel ka human. Do you think it is safe for Chakma Autonomous Council? I don't think so. Chuan Voina Bulkan Tandona. A good beginning is half done. Now how many members? 11 members we have? 12. 12 members kan ito beginning at haluto. Tin kan president ina arrangement na siamna potra. This occasion has to be a memorable and has to last long, not for a moment. Chuti nga kan kal phot chuan Autonomous Council pon levon lo chin siaru 2027 a chon BJP hi sarkar na kan chang lo pon sarkar na phong von tu kan yang ti tu na tang hen ka soinga mani nang ni in lo nenga kan unaw lai an lo ni lenga tlabung lo ni lenga ron kalanga heta mami district kan tuam lenga within 3 years a chon patiman lo tu chu kantan na mun tur niang tuna hen lung le tang point thalai tam tak kan lo lu tang ti khin om to voina po se hatan karon kal do na lung le lo chol e ro kan ti pu du chen ti ma se huna tai emaw next January vela kan dam chon kanin budon ne kan ti Zanina kan thil ti hian it speaks very loud. It's not only chhawpchhuah autonomous council, but it's politically it speaks very loud in Mizoram. Chu chhia ila, chu wang chuan bul control chawa thil tam takala soilawang. Kan la thok howang kan soidon chak sakdawin kan kalang voicen takin kan kalang. In low load kan president za takin induction ani event to tuna chun BJP member in ito BJP sarkar na inva form do na mingine MLA patni kan kan ho tu tenen atul angin central sarkara CADC dan hmaa kan lang tihi voina hen kasoiduni voina po state property nen kalkonga kan lon bezela alom nito so wang chuan voina chuan let us not beat around the bush in the original party. Let us stay safely, securely, feel comfortably in a national party. Chukian chuanin ma ilang uti toiten zinahan kanin so many thank you very much.
And thoughtful words. Before we get to the vote of thanks, I'd like to inform all members that there will be a photo session